Okay, all systems are go. We've got the app connected, and here are 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and lift off. All systems looking good. Take it to an initial height of 50 feet. And we're about 40, 45 feet. Now we go up to 100 feet. We'll bring the drone to the left a little bit. And right here we have a disconnect from aircraft. And I've got absolutely no response on the transmitter. The drone goes up to a return to home mode, spins around, and heads for home. In the meantime, as you can see, I am desperately trying to reconnect. The only thing I didn't do was shut off the transmitter and try to reconnect that way by turning the transmitter back on. Anyway, here we go. We're going to get to go see a landing using return to home feature after a disconnect. Oops. Almost. Not bad. About 3 feet away. So I'd say that's a fairly successful return to home. Second clip coming up. Got everything reconnected. And we're just going to go up about 50 feet high. Come back for landing. No disconnects during this flight, thank goodness. So what we hope to do on the next flight is when the Zino app on Android opens up, immediately close it, close the program, and then restart it manually. See if that'll take care of our problems. Any suggestions? Leave a comment. Thank you.